Nicholas Bernard Mamer was born in 1898 in Hastings, Minnesota. Mechanically inclined, Nicholas became interested in all aspects of gas-powered engines. At 15, he was the chauffeur for a local doctor. In 1916, Nicholas enlisted in the aviation branch of the U.S. Army Signal Corps, forerunner of today's Air Force. Private Mamer was sent to the Signal Corps' new aviation training school at North Island, San Diego, to become an aircraft mechanic. Upon completion of his training, he was assigned to the 7th Aero Squadron stationed in the Canal Zone of Panama. Owing to his mechanical skills, Nicholas quickly advanced in rank and began acquiring unofficial stick time as often as possible. Bitten by the flying bug, he was accepted at the Military School of Aeronautics at Princeton University. Nicholas completed his ground school training in 1918 and was ordered to Kelly Field, Texas, for his flight training. In 1919, he earned his wings and was commissioned a second lieutenant, Air Corps Reserve Military Aviator. He was discharged and returned to Minnesota, an unemployed disciple of aviation. Nick acquired a flying position with Clarence Hinks Federated Flyers based in Minneapolis. Barnstorming, county fairs, and flight instruction kept Nick busy. It also led to an invitation to come west and establish flying activities in the Inland Empire. Based at Parkwater Airport in Spokane, Mamer operated the Mamer Flying Service, was an early member of Washington State's 116th Aero Squadron, and held numerous contracts with timber companies for aerial fire patrol. Nick participated in the 1927 and 1928 National Air Races. In 1929, Nick co-piloted a Buell CA-6 air sedan named the Spokane Sun God on a historic non-stop transcontinental flight that demonstrated the practical use of air-to-air refueling. In 1929, Mamer Air Transport was formed and purchased 2 new Ford Trimotors in an attempt to start Seattle to Minneapolis-St. Paul scheduled air service. Lacking the income of an airmail contract and butting heads with Northwest Airways, Nick eventually sold the Trimotors and became a pilot for Northwest. In 1938, Nick, his co-pilot, and 8 passengers died in the crash of a Northwest Airlines Lockheed Model 14H Sky Zephyr over the Bridger Mountains in Montana. He is buried in the Evergreen Washelli Cemetery in Seattle. A memorial clock dedicated in Nick's memory stands next to the terminal building at Felts Field, the renamed Parkwater Airport in Spokane, Washington.